What you making?
I'm gonna make a coarse seamoss punch. You guys, any guys out there love punch? I love punch, but where I gonna get it, I just never know. So I'm gonna make my own. When we went to the market this morning, you didn't see that video as yesterday coming up. That market all was real kicks, but I guess some seamoss in the market, so I'm gonna try and make a seamoss punch. My version, but you know the basics are the same. So watch yourself and watch me make it.
I get in orders to do this and do that, and he already make a mess on my kitchen counter here. Look.
To make a mess, condensed milk jump out of the can. You see the thing was alive.
Alrighty guys, so Mr. Man is here. We're just experimenting. We went to the market, got some seamoss.
Check it out here. Rasta partner selling this container seamoss here for $20. But you know when you go in the market, you can make deals. Give us 2 for 30. Now we bring in this, we never make this before. So I'm gonna average it. I'm gonna use half of this container because I want it strong. So the basic ingredients, we have the seamoss, we have milk.
Why it cut like that and why looking like this? We do.
But we don't have ice in this house because we already use ice. So what I do to replace the ice, I froze the milk.
Oh my gosh.
Check it out, it's actually frozen in there. So it's frozen milk to replace the ice because seamoss drink had to be cold.
Very cool, right?
Yeah. We have some essence, some mixed essence. I mean, normally put granola in it, but I have this oats here. We don't have granola again, but the oats we're winging it with it.
Just having fun with it. We'll see more.
We have some butterfly or carnation milk, anyone you want to use. And of course, the main ingredient, condensed milk. Normally when you go by the punch man, you use a half a can of this, maybe even more. So we're going a little lighter on that. So real easy. Just throw everything in the blender. Bada bing, bada boom.
Experimenting, let's go.
So this is about...
You didn't even know.
It's about 1/3 of the pack of milk. So we train the whole thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
But there's normally ice if you have,
if you have ice,
right?
you have ice and milk. But
Yeah, so you put in ice and milk, but
it's the easy way to do it. It's the better way to do it. Alright, now next we go and train.
That whole thing?
I'm putting half of this. If it's not strong enough, I'm putting in more. I like things strong.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Check it out.
It's like a
Normally you can get this dry in the pack and instead of prepared with lime juice and whatnot. So we're trying to do exactly half so we're going to know how we're measuring this thing.
Is that looking like half?
Is half it?
I think so.
Alright, if we need to add more, we can just add more when we taste it. Next up, we're going to put some of the carnation milk. These are 1 cup thing. I'm putting about 1/3. For the essence, we're just throwing about a cupful. I don't know much a cupful. No, not even a cupful. About a 1/3 cupful. Less than a 1/3. And then for the condensed milk, whoa.
Go strong, go strong.
Go strong. I have this spoon here that's going. 1, 2,
And next one?
3. You can't look in there. Alright, we're gonna try 3 for
I
now.
feel you put a punch man thing there.
Nah. Punch man, go through this whole can here. Trust me. So we're going 3. Put that there. Throw in your oats. I'll put half of that, so a 1/4 cup. And blend. Gonna be a little loud. And a real blend this thing. One more for good luck. Alright, now we gotta give it a taste. No Styrotex cup here, guys.
You want to taste it first with a spoon?
Yeah, we have a taste. I don't care if it's sit down there, give on to you. Whoa, it's thick and nice, boy. The ice.
Taste. I want to taste it.
I want to knock on this, boy. You want to taste it, honey?
Yeah.
Wait, what are you, girl? Seamoss?
I want to taste it.
Taste it first, taste it. If you want to come in and taste more punch here, guys, watch it. Easy punch.
This tastes real good.
Honest opinion.
It really tastes good. It really like.
seamoss at home. I mean, easy as that. I can make a peanut punch for the next
No,
time,
this
but
really tastes good. You didn't even use the full,
Yeah,
so you could get.
just the right amount. So you could get two. Or two. I don't know how much servings it's going to be, but maybe 1.5.
Yeah, it's real nice. Maybe you could have put a little more, suppose.
The more seamoss. You think I'll more now?
I don't know.
It tastes good, but I feel you could put a little thing I gave.
If you trade all.
Sure.
Yeah, try that. I like this a lot.
It's too bad. Alright,
Good job, good job.
seamoss. Okay guys, so seamoss at home is as easy as that. Get this in the market. Milk, carnation milk, condensed milk, some oats to add, some essence. And that's it.
How good, really.
You had to go out and search for no punch man. If you're not a good punch man, you can still let me know, but leave this at home. If you want to see me make peanut punch next time, let me know. Real easy too. I know.
Oh yes, we could try peanut punch.
I know
'cause
I have
I like
some.
peanut punch.
I have some patented milkshakes if you want me to share it with you all. Maybe. That's the boss. Right, so let's go.
Good job, good job, good job.
Thanks for watching guys.